this, 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 and this. Brilliant. Okay.
You really need to click many buttons to arrive at this situation.
Not as many as on the main channel because right I can't even do a charity stream. I mean, I can't collect money for charity. I can't have the fundraiser, which I still find hilarious that need to be monetized.
So, doesn't that defeat the point of charity checkup? If it came to charity.
First of all, shut up. Second of all, I wasn't monetized for the first 300 or so of my charity checkups. So 1/3 of the charity checkups were like this. Back then, I just donated. I just donated charity directly. I still do. And third of all, I'm trying to get this channel monetized so that I can have a charity fundraiser on the charity checkups.
So now you have to upload things here.
I don't have to upload things. I can just stream. I just need 1,000 subscribers, and I don't remember how many watch time hours.
More subscribers.
Always need more subscribers. YouTubers recently let me know because I did pass 75,000 subscribers on the main channel.
You just make a post on the main one to invite people here.
Eventually I will, but not yet. Not there yet. Hi, the generic person, by the way.
Hello.
Oh, let me see. I need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours. Right now, the channel has 60. So we're like 1% of the way there. Good start. Certainly.
Yeah, we are not precisely close to that.
It's going to take a while. And some proper music for the stream because I need to get myself into my manic mood.
Still have the music in the description.
Oh, I need very specific kind of music. I need something to get me in a manic mood.
Get you in the manic mood.
Yeah, because then
the after playlist.
Oh, you know me. Actually, that would work. But holy shit, I'm a whole major version of SolidWorks behind. Update. There we go. Oh, great. Yeah, let's up. It's not like I need internet access to stream. That's fine.
I mean, it's download. The stream is upload. You know.
They still.
They can switch to watch classes over. I don't fucking know. Oh no, they cannot. Stream is lagging.
I've been reading up. Well, a while back I was reading up on the standards for Ethernet standards, layers of networking, the OC layers, and apparently it's not that common for Ethernet cables to have separate lines for upload and download. Apparently they just have the same line, and there's just checks against collisions in case data comes in from both sides. It's wacky is basically what I'm trying to say. You can hear like I'm low on energy. I need to do something. Do crack.
Do something.
Alistair playlist might actually work. What else do I have? Okay, first things first. Allow me to introduce you all to a friend of mine. A friend in the making.
Oh.
Friend that I am very, very slowly making. Unbearably slowly. Like, truly agonizingly slowly. And that is... Fix It! Now I know what you may be thinking. Make it, that looks like a Raspberry Pi 5. Good eyes, that is actually a Raspberry Pi 5. But on it there is Fix It, which I'm slowly making. And today I would like to do both at the same time. Work on the Fix It and the house for Fix It. Which basically means I would also like to print some kind of case for the Raspberry Pi, because to it I'll need to attach a whole bunch of things. I2S microphone, I2S audio amplifier, the card reader as well, just for the shits and giggles. Add in the LEDs once again for the shiggles. You what?
Shiggles.
Yeah.
Terrible fucking word. Yeah, you make that.
Cassie also started saying
Shit.
something in the post.
I.
You said I.
Wasn't important. I don't know. It was important. I feel like you comment how
You know, like
I thought it was
software.
if this for the bot or something.
I mean, oh no, the whole bit of Fix It is that the reason why it's taking me such a long time to even start it is because I'm trying to make it as expandable as possible. So basically, Fix It is going to be like, if I need to add some automation, then instead of remaking it every single time, I'm just gonna add it to Fix It always. So
So that's some
event-
interesting. No, you go.
So like
I'm
eventually,
sorry.
I will be able to just give it Discord access with a single file. I will be able to, but then I'm also gonna add physical stuff because I will give it its own microphone as well, and its own speaker, so that I will be able to talk with Fixit. Normal sentence. Normal people would say. I'm making a program that I will be able to talk to. I'm doing fine, everyone. Thanks for asking.
It's not an AI girlfriend. Trust me, it's not an AI girlfriend.
Where's my M2 dingus? No, damn it.
Interesting style you're going for the 3D printed part.
Oh, this, you mean?
Is that
That's
from
from the
like the
mask.
rack?
That's from the mask. That's the one I'm going to remove.
Oh, it's for the mask? Oh.
Yeah, because this pie was on the mask previously. But now it won't be.
Oh.
Now it will be in its own little case. Come on. Off you piss. Sucks because I haven't achieved anything of consequence. I mean, the program works, but at the same time, a child could write that program that I just made.
No, I don't think it could.
My cat could have wrote that program when it was still
I
alive.
dare to disagree.
The cat is dead, and I still think it could write that program.
Alright, make it. I think you're putting a bit too many expectations on a dead cat.
No one has ever accused me of that. Which sucks because from now on, if someone says you're putting too many expectations on a dead cat, I'll have to say that someone once already accused me of that. This right here, I'm gonna piss it off. It doesn't matter. Because what will matter is it's going to all matter. Fuck me.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Oh no, with every passing day I'm getting more and more of keywords in my head I can't get rid of. Instead of make it, now I can't even say that I'm making a flamethrower. I can't say that it doesn't matter. It's getting worse.
You can't say if I had a nickel.
I can't say if I had a nickel. Alright. That's enough of that, because the point I was trying to make here is we just need to make a bit of a, well, not really a case, more like a skeleton for a case, because we will just want to add as many things as possible. Hi Poncho, what's our life purpose today, Mr. Make It? What a lovely way to ask that question. Well, Poncho, on this I am making a totally not sentient robot battler.
There's no life purpose, only suffering.
I should switch from this to the checkup. And so what we're going to do, we're going to make a house. We're going to make a house for a raspberry.
Oh.
We're going to make the doctor. Hold on, here we go. Okay, I'm back. I'm doing everything.
You can't say you're going to make a house without the fucking metal hazard in my head, really.
Yeah, I told you, with every passing day it just adds more and more just words you cannot use. It's awful. Okay, first things first. Oh, that it tastes like. That tastes alright. First things first.
Blue sewage?
Oh my goodness. First things first. This is my work drive, the workshop drive. And
what's for it?
If I was make it, if I was make it, I would call it for it. If those were projects specifically for someone else. So I'm assuming these are things I was trying to open my soul. Yeah, there we go. I'm extremely consistent. What's your life torture today, Miss Katsi? I like I was going to read it as Mister because normally when you have M and then only one letter is Mister. But fair point to outplay me. It's MX. All right, that's really
What's a
good.
Mac?
I'm assuming non-binary way to say Mister or Miss. I'm purely assumption. Never heard of it. I'm just guessing.
Okay.
Long term, but then. Oh, we need to. Oh shit, that's not great. Rust by 5 case. Oh, this is not brilliant at all.
I'm doing okay.
Go. Okay. Come on, make it. I get why artists do cocaine. That's all I'm gonna say. I understand it. If I had.
I think they maybe added the cocaine. I think that might be the reason. That's. I heard that cocaine is pretty addictive, you know?
I'm just saying, if I had the money.
No, Michael. No, you have enough life-threatening things that's going to kill you before you're 30.
That's not a lot. That's pretty quick. You think it's that ballet? Okay.
It's pretty quick. Yeah, you're right.
Full case. All right. First things first.
I'm not giving you much time.
Clearly are not. First things first. We need to figure out.
Can you blame me?
Yeah, I can blame you. Actually, for not believing in me. You lack of a believer.
As you sit in your unventilated room full of
The window
chemicals.
is open.
Oh, finally. Took you long enough.
Side panel right, that should be the one. Yes. That's going to be, yeah, there we go. So this is the thing we had our Raspberry Pi Dash 2, and the sole reason why I want to open it up is because right here in the sketch, oh, that is a comical sketch. Right here in the sketch, all I'm trying to do is I would really like to copy all of these. Oh, it's running slow. Oh, it's chugging. Oh, it's chugging. It's brilliant. 13 minutes into a live stream, my PC is already dying. We're making good time. We're certainly making good time. Rebuilding safe, brilliant, and then
You're making my time worthwhile.
that's good. And a surprisingly positive message. I was expecting something disgusting. You said the tone you normally use for that sort of thing. Surprisingly positive.
That's just how I sound. Thank you.
That's my case. Let's do base skeleton. Because why not? Actually, no. It was going to be
Raspberry.
Yes.
Any more puns?
Well, I'm going to be doing it on the top, so there. How about it? You're welcome.
Okay. I see how it is.
Alright, brilliant. This is what we start with. We have the... Yes. These are the correct measurements for the openings on the Raspberry Pi. I can't even say hole because I just don't trust you.
The opening.
Why is this so slow? Do I have anything running in the background? Well, the live stream and some Firefox tabs. That's not that many tabs. It's actually just this one at this point. Windows, would you mind? Windows Explorer is taking all of that. How? What are you doing? I could restart it, but if I restart it, everything might crash.
Well, I mean, if you restart Explorer, your fucking desktop is gonna crash, and the Explorer.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it will go back on. Just don't fucking close your
I just
fucking
don't
tabs
know.
because you
Don't
won't
know
open
if
them again.
I just don't know if Lashi will get back on.
I don't know actually.
That's what I said.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
Alright.
I have many words in my mouth. I know enough other things in my mouth.
No, I'm bringing out the big guns on the playlist.
The big gun.
Fine, paranoid.
You and your big guns.
I cannot deal with you sober.
Oh, the Jackie is coming over.
Indeedy, now on to business. Everything's better with sorry than you do. This way, good man. We would need to make a choice. Good thing to both us say. Alright, splendid. Then we're gonna have the entire thing on the hexagon. I couldn't tell you why, even though I wanted to. I just really like putting things on hexagons. It just fits for me. Do we want it to be middle size? Do we want to make this something more elaborate? If I do it like this, if I do it like this, if I do it like this, oh, here the connection's like that. That's something. Or I could just do it as the simplest possible connector. I didn't put much thought into this because I'll be brutally honest, I didn't care. I think we could have just a big hexagon where on each side we would have a different play depending on what we want to do. Oh, I like that idea. Do what the radio do? She's gonna take. What size should the side plate be? 120? Is 120 big? Is that a lot?
Let's do 128 for no particular reason.
No, because then it won't be consistent with myself, and then later on I won't be able to figure out what it was. How much is 120? Let me see. 100 could actually be enough.
That's somewhere between 130 and 110.
Oh, 80 isn't bad. Well, 80 is pretty small. Yeah, 90, that's average. There we go. Nailed it. We're doing 90.
And you know a lot about average size.
I actually don't. I'm quite short as a person.
Yeah. My condolences.
Okay, now let's jazz it up. It's not jazzed
Oh, the
up.
giant.
Yeah, I need to jazz it up.
Okay.
Someone in the Alos channel just mentioned VMA allocate memory for buffer, and I remember that function from my Ventum Engine days. And that just hit me with such a positive sense of PTSD. Oof.
Allocate. More like allocate.
Shut up. Like attach it the best, like this. Then I'm thinking about it too much. I think too much. That's the issue. Okay. So basically, very basically. Yeah, normally I have a bit more of a plan before going in design something, but who needs a plan? I'm amazing. Are you gonna really type in the more like allocate? Because
No,
if you do, I can't see. I swear.
okay.
Oh, shut up. It's actually a genuine joke. I committed and readable, but it's not. Oh, it doesn't matter. Right. Oh, okay. I am doing it a bit of like an amateur because I'm using a separate sketch instead of using the same exact sketch. But I want this to be readable as well. So there we go. Actually, it would be a bit better. Shit, how did I miss? My aim is terrible in these modern games. Piss off. Oh, this also parallel. Okay, now what? We like the distance, I imagine, between that and those three constant, or we would like all of these to be equal. And that should center them. If we also center the middle, then we don't need to deal with... Oh, brilliant, make it. You truly are the most incredible and best. Well, that's almost what I meant.
Mm.
Why can't it just be symmetrical? You
Why
did
can't
write
you
the
just be
allocate
normal?
You did write the allocate message.
I mean, you forced my hand.
No, I didn't. That was very much you. Do 45 degrees on each. Yeah. Oh wait, I can just do these two equal. I'm an idiot. Right? Yeah. Brilliant. That's something.
Well,
Okay.
I'm just glad you're here.
Yeah. Otherwise, it would be quite awkward sitting in silence. Catty cackles. I mean, fair Poncho, by the way. Why so quiet over there? I can sense you watching. Don't think I can't.
This does not look symmetric to me.
Fine.
Specifically, the hole in the bottom left has something wrong with it. I'm not sure what though.
Fine, I deleted it.
Oh, well, the line isn't. I think the line wasn't 45 degree there.
Wait, no, not this. This is incorrect. Pretty much.
Okay.
This. Mew Mew. One,
Say,
2, 3.
it's a fucking letter.
Say what?
How do you say that?
Well,
There was a letter in chat. The
Mew, I
fucking,
think.
the
Well,
funny Q.
I think it's a Mew.
Mew.
I think it's a bit of I think
I
it's
can
a
say
meowy.
meow.
Yeah, I think that's the.
That's close enough.
I do believe that is what they meant. Yeah. There. Now it's symmetric.
I knew I was new. I had to confirm from the smartest person. Well,
Fucking down to the ground, and there will be nothing.
Can you hear that?
I do hear that, yes. It's wildly
Oh.
distracting. It's just in my head, I can't focus
I,
on anything. It's.
what are you expecting to close the fucking window? I would never. I know you would, but I would never.
See, now you better appreciate the sacrifices I make for these streams. Alright. Kind of nice and even number right here. This is tingling my autism really well, by the way. Just designing like that. Oh no, it reversed. No, that makes sense. Oh, I didn't want you to. Well, I'm gonna define it some more, and then you figure out that I didn't want you to.
I mean, we are both good at tingling something.
We are not the same. That's different.
Every time you pause for like a many seconds to fucking respond to my joke, my heart grows bigger.
You should get that checked out. That sounds like a pretty serious medical condition. The only problem with you right now, Bud, is that you are very much the wrong way. Also, that these two have to be equal.
They have his dreams, come on.
Shit, that's not what I meant to click. Ah, close enough. Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
The entire time, it's completely the wrong way. Well, whatever. Hi, the Balin. How you doing? I think. By the way, Cassie, I feel like you and Fair Punch are gonna get along really well.
Well, because it. Well, what are you basing it for?
Don't know, just a wild
Those are
feeling
some-
I have.
Those are some baseless accusations right there. What the hell?
I don't know. I just get that vibe, you know.
What do you mean?
Demons every which way, but then only just. I'm good. I'm glad to hear you good, Balin. I'm glad to hear you good.
Girl.
Okay. Colonia, this. Brilliant. So far, it seems fine. At least ish. There is a possibility that these will intersect with some parts of the Raspberry, and now I think about it, actually they might not. Oh, that might be actually just perfect, just about.
This is a very slick design.
There's one portion of it I don't really love.
Oh.
Ah, whatever. We'll figure it out in a second.
Well, I do like we have another catchy liker in chat. Never too many of those.
The meowers, they grow in number.
Yeah.
The part looks like
It's almost like I'm the streamer.
I feel like out of the two of us, you would fit a lot more the archetype.
What archetype? The streamer?
Yes.
I can't believe that, man. I don't know. I think I'm too.
In a a room with violet-ish lights and an unreasonable amount of plushies.
Oh, that's a different kind of streamer. Like it. I wasn't thinking about that one.
Isn't that most of them? I feel like whenever anyone shows me a stream, it has violet lights and an unreasonable amount of plushies.
I mean, I do believe I could be wildly successful on OnlyFans too.
Oh, this is so satisfying! It probably looks like a logo. It does look like a logo because it's because I'm trying to make it look
Like
nice.
a
But it's so
like a
satisfying.
pie fighter.
It's so satisfying to make a shitty looking shape and then slowly.
You don't know what it is.
overdraw.
Of course, you don't know what it is.
Obviously, I don't know what
You
it is.
motherfucker.
Oh, I can find. Oh, that is perfect.
Perfect, you may say.
Now what is wrong? These are wrong. There we go, and then one final line.
Doesn't look symmetric. Oh.
Why is this?
So.
Oh no, that is. Nah. How even?
No.
Wait, no. Perpendicular.
Oh. What happened there?
Now that is the exact opposite of what we want to happen. No, that big of a deal. Because I'm pretty certain we can just. Oh no, that would make sense. Wait, cancel. Yeah, no, that does make sense. How did I mess it up? Bodies to keep. All bodies, okay, whatever. Okay, there we go, it's not working anymore. It does make sense that it's broken. And that's because I've done it like an idiot.
Concho, you are a beautiful creature.
Like for futuristic gender. Yes, yes. My new invention. Sometimes when I get really, really drunk, I invent new genders. There we go. This. I hate that I felt like Ferpocho was just saying random shit, but like I see it now. I can't unsee it. It really does because of the arrows. Oh, I can't unsee that.
Brilliant. So, what is this for?
Well, this is meant to be like raspberry will go in the middle, and then on the sides we'll have panels, and we'll be able to fill in these panels with different things like an audio panel, like an RFID panel, whatever we want.
It's for.
And so then that would be like give, fix it access to the real world so that they can murder my opponents.
My favorite gender, the fixed sexual.
The fix it's like no, gross.
Gross.
Don't sexualize.
Nothing gross about gender.
Don't objectify fix it.
Only are you allowed to do that? I see.
Yeah, because I'm making fix it. Like there's a difference between a parent saying something to a child versus a stranger saying something to a child.
So, what you're saying is you're allowed to sexualize your own children, okay?
I did not say that.
I feel like you said that.
It's honestly, Katsi, I don't mean to be that guy, calling it kill, because right now, you thought of it. You heard that.
You said it. So,
I very much did not say that. I said objectify,
You very
you
much
said sexualize. Those are different things.
those are the same things.
Those are not. There is a very significant. Honestly, it's kind of worried. I'm kind of worried now, and I don't know if I feel like I'm being gaslit to the point where I genuinely need to check what objectifying means. Objectify. Regardless, no, I was correct. They are very much different things, Katsi. Objectify means to treat something as an object. Sexualize, though, that's a different thing.
That means treat somebody as a sexual object. Close enough.
No, no.
I would argue I would make that leap.
No, that's. I feel like you're very much trying to make a connection there. It.
You
Which-
are known for doing things to the machines.
Oh, it's a stretch. This won't work because we don't have the connectors on the sides correctly. I mean, it looks nice.
It's gonna no, I realized that. Okay, you gotta change topic. I see how it is.
Well, you want us to continue with how I say that I don't want you to objectify Fixit, and then compared myself to a parent of Fixit, to which you thought was meant me sexualizing Fixit as a parent. Because what I said was perfectly innocent. The way you interpreted it was pretty fucked up.
Alright.
Do you want to continue?
I'll eat grass or something. I don't know.
This is in this case we have a corner, in this case we don't, and the plane has to be right.
But it is, huh?
Plate. How do I attach the plate? Unless I make another kind of attachments. Let's see where this is going. Let's not. Alright, screw it.
Yeah, bring to its logical conclusion.
Screw it. Literally.
I mean, you said it first.
No, I literally mean it. Screw it. I'm gonna add screws.
You just said screw it to fix it. I'm gonna say it right there.
I feel like you really want to make me appear like someone. You're really trying to paint a picture. It's not gonna be a hexagon.
You mean? I don't know what you're talking about. You would never do anything silly with like a, I don't know, a train or something. I don't know. Just throwing it out there.
This vertical. Give me the midpoints. There we go.
That being said, the fixed gender is turning out pretty nicely.
Equal curve length. That's. What's the difference between equal curve length and whatever? I'm not getting paid enough for this shit. Alright. We could do distance from. No, we can't. We can do distance from the edge on equal. No, we can't. Shit. We can do distance from. Are these two the same? Are these two in parallel? Because if they are, that would help me out tremendously.
Oh, Poncho! No. I think you were on the right account.
Whoops. Happens to the best of us.
Me when I post furry propaganda on my conservative Twitter account.
Can't have any nerd stuff in my furry account.
That's just wonderful. that goes to the best comments straight away.
That does, yeah. That is going to the best comment. That's brilliant. I don't mean to be that guy, but there is a significant. I feel like. How do you deal with overlap between nerd and furry? Because that's a huge overlap. Which account does it go to?
Very big.
This looks wrong. Sorry to all the people of the of the new gender I invented, but this looks wrong.
What the hell?
There we go. For construction equal. This sketch is unsolvable. Shit! This isn't great. Or is it? Huh.
Okay.
That actually worked out surprisingly well. This has to be a 4 though. Oh, it's a physically born.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, and then. Oh wait, hold on. But I should like define this in a more clever way instead of being an idiot. Because in this case, oh, I'll have to do trigonometry later to get the actual values I need.
Oh, the misery.
Yeah, normally I can just
And we thought that we wouldn't need this after school.
yeah, exactly. Never mind, the sketch is broken. Apparently, I might not have to.
Oh, hi, Caper.
Ah, the Cape. Oh, Caper, you're gonna have a blast this stream.
You're gonna
I mean,
love
Poncho
this. We
Switch.
have all the best characters.
I mean, yeah, Poncho Switch the counts, but still.
We have definitely a very Poncho.
Why was it solvable earlier on, but
And
now
me.
it's unsolvable? How is it now unsolvable? I'm sorry, so you mean to tell me that it was solvable with 5 point something, but unsolvable with 5.5? Ah, damn it. Okay, I need to come up with another way to do it.
Oh, I see how it is. That's what they all say.
Furry account. Having an unsafe one, it would be impressive on YouTube. There's no...
I think that you know something about that.
Mango Pablo on YouTube makes safe for work animations. I just want you to... Alright?
Mhm.
Okay. How do I want to do this? Oh yeah, right. We can just delete these. Delete all the progress. Throw it out the window.
Is Mango Pablo like an evil twin version of Mikado Avocado?
No.
I mean the good twin version.
Mango Pablo makes animations about
I know what he makes. I was making a joke.
Gravity Falls, Phineas and Ferb. What else is there? There's some original one, something about like a thief of some sorts. I don't remember. Mango what? Oh, this was one artist I follow. We're just yeah. They just make they make good animations. They really
Yeah, they make very good art. That Miguel loves to examine in his
yeah,
free
I
time.
just watch it for the story.
Yeah.
No, not midpoint. This one. There we go.
Yeah, where is your save account, my kid?
Hold on, I'll be right back. Give me a
It's
second.
definitely on this one.
Give me a second, I'll be right back. I mean, I do watch everything I would normally on this account. Well, not this account. I watch it on the main Make It account because I think it's hilarious that when I leave comments on YouTube, it it leaves comments on my official account. I just find that funny. Okay, in this case,
You aren't wrong.
distance to this.
Do you
That's
hang
because
out with me for the story too?
there was one animation, one like furry animation. It was really lovely because there was just someone made, I think for an anniversary, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh,
It was really lovely, and I left a comment saying something like along the lines of like, "Oh, that's really sweet," and then someone replied a comment like, "Whoa, make it! You're there too." They were just surprised to see me. Why is this constant? Oh, you can move.
do you make comments on the Mango Pablo channel too?
Go and check. Go and check.
I mean, you know, that's a reasonable place to advertise. That's like your prime audience.
I'm not advertising. I'm just sharing my honest opinions. Imagine this as a triangle. Then. Oh, this is good. This sucks. This is awful. Because what we effectively need is we need distance from this. This distance we'd like it to be an integer, so let's do 8. Okay, I think that took. And if I'm not mistaken, on the exact opposite side, it should still be 8. It is brilliant. And then, right here is the middle, so it's that these damages, yeah? But then we would like it to be... We would like this distance. And this distance. Why are you constant? Why are you already defined? You shouldn't be. Don't be. Grow and change as a person. No, you're not. Well, then don't lie to me. 6. Alright, there we go. This should be it. Except it shouldn't, because there's one space on the Raspberry Pi where we need to add in a card, which is roughly right here, and it's going to slightly overlap that angle, which means we should go in and change it. Should be simple. Just go. Yeah. Just that's easy. We could have kept it flat at that point. Yeah, let's keep it flat. That's just awkward.
Why is there a tiny little...
You're looking. There we go. Okay, brilliant. That should be fine, I think. I don't know, I only made it. By the way, Caper, because you joined at a very awkward time, how are you doing? We were discussing art, I do believe, when Caper joined, so...
Yeah, art.
Yeah, that's what it is.
We all
It's
watch it for the artistical value.
Yeah, I do. I don't know what you perverts are on about. I watch it merely for the sake of art and the story. There we go.
Bamboo. Time to free the princess gender.
That's pretty funny. I mean, time to 3D print this gender would be a banger catchphrase.
Is that your new fucking catchphrase?
It would be quite something. Oh, I know what we can add before we
Wait.
3D print. Yes,
Uh-huh.
I know. We can add the holes for the nuts.
Holes for the nuts.
Yeah.
What does he mean by this?
I mean the holes for the nuts. Oh, damn it, where did I drop the... Oh, yes, okay. I mean the holes for the nuts. That's what I
Holes
mean.
for the nuts. Indeed.
Yeah, holes for the nuts.
Me and my holes for the nuts.
Actually, the inner holes might already be a bit too big for the nuts. 2 or 3. Yeah.
Is your inner hole too big for my nut?
Well, no, it's my nut. You don't have any nuts, Katsi.
Oh.
2, 3.
Okay, okay, I saw this.
3.5. That should be 3.5, but then the inner. Well, it shouldn't be. Why they have 4 then? That should be 3, shouldn't it? Well, at most, I imagine. Why would it be a 4? Ridiculous. That's M2s. Okay, and then. Actually, might as well do it on top. If so, why not? Then. $3.5, I said, right? Good. Glad everyone was paying attention. And in this case, this has to be equal to this, has to be equal to this, has to be equal to this. All of them have to be equal, and then you have to be. Oh, let's do 3.75 just in case. Like this, splendid. And then all the other nuts.
All the other nuts.
Now these ones will be bigger. I need to figure out how much bigger. I need to measure my nuts.
You measure your nuts. As as every person.
Gonna head out. Carry on without me, gentlemen, gentlemen. Alright, Poncho. It was a joy having you around. Good luck on whatever it is you're doing.
It was a blast. I would love to see you sometime again around.
Where am I?
Meow.
Where are my bigger nuts? There they are. Okay. There we go. The bigger nuts appear to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 millimeters. Okay, we're gonna do 5.5 then, just to be safe. Always need the tolerance. Brilliant. And then, actually, in that case, because then if I may do an extruded cut, it will have to be 1 millimeter. That's because the entire thing is already 2 millimeters. I could bring the entire thing up to 3 millimeters, then it would take so much time to print. Whatever. It's good enough. There we go. Now we have a new gender with nuts.
New gender with nuts. Wonderful. I prefer my gender with nuts.
You know what? Good for you. Don't let society tell you which of your genders should or shouldn't have nuts. So, oh, hi, Kevin. I still remember I was supposed to call my doctor 6 hours ago. I'm back and go for some more coffee. Okay, good. Well, I'm glad you're back and still alive. That's a good state to be in.
Yes. Quite preferable indeed. I like my friends alive and well. That's why I'm usually so nervous around my kid.
I could also get some coffee. Why did I stop drinking coffee? I remember I stopped doing it around 3 or 4 weeks ago. I don't remember why.
Might have been health issues. Because you were ruining your fucking health by drinking hot sewage for the last year.
By drinking coffee. No, I have normal coffee now. Being alive is a good state, but not as good as Philadelphia. I think you meant Michigan, Caper. I do believe. I do believe Michigan is what you meant. Michigan is the one that has like 30% of all the world's
My favorite
fresh
state
water.
is Ice 15. As in state of matter.
As in, yeah, we got the joke, don't worry.
Water specifically.
Don't worry, we got the joke. Ontario.
I thought over you. I didn't hear the joke. I'm sorry.
Ah, there we go. Okay. Could not establish connection. Why? Then try harder. What do I not pay you for? Inside.
Try hard there.
Voice.
For no particular reason.
I'm not there. Just want you come. Let's run this bad boy. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, we were making commands. And then I got distracted by making a video. Yuck.
Damn you on your video.
Exactly. Okay, we're going to have help. Then we're going to have Cindy. Make a SSH password. Stop. Damn it! How did you crack it? That's not a. I'm not using a secure SSH password in this case because I don't care. It's on my local network. If you really tried, you could figure out what my SSH password is. For this Raspberry, I should specify. Not in general. If you figure out what my SSH password is, if you figure out what my SSH password is for my website, I would be quite surprised.
Is it a fanboy assisted generated password?
No. Make it just reverse case. That would be a good one. But no. Oh shit! This will require actual effort. I'm just charcoal there. So you can drop that. This cutscene's existence reply in Dogsy. I just noticed that the character, what's the name of the character? Oh, Daddy! Shut up! Daddy's trying to talk. Okay. Danny, I will not say it again. There we go. What's the name of the character from the town inside me?
Brisket.
Brisket. Is it brisket?
Yes.
Or is it brisket? It's really brisket.
It's brisket.
Okay. I just realized that in the route they have like a massive shackle around them. What is that about?
I fucking know. I'm not trans enough to know the lore. I'm not even fucking
Bridget. Isn't it?
Oh, it's Bridget. Fuck, yeah, no, you're right.
I knew biscuit sounded really weird.
What the fuck is brisket from them?
Brisket.
What fucking fucking? What fucking made me think of the name one?
I don't know. Brisket usually is like the thing you eat.
What is brisket?
It's like the thing
Brisket.
it's for me you eat.
Oh, this is fucking food. What the?
Hold on, because they have like a massive shackle around them. I don't understand it. Why is there a shackle?
Okay, if I Google brisket, he shows up as well. It's a fucking prank.
Hold on. Look at the size of that shackle. That's such a comically big shackle.
Brisket. Appears to be a moment.
Enormous metal handcuff in place of waist belt. Where did that fucking handcuff come from? I'm sorry. I don't mean to be that guy. It bothers me. Yeah, it bothers me. I need to know. Is anyone gonna mention the handcuff?
I don't know.
No! Fuck me! I'm the prick here. Walks around with a massive handcuff. Where did you get that?
Yeah.
I don't. Whatever. I don't even care. We need to add the command to the command buffer. It should be simple enough, actually. It should be easy. That should be a pretty easy thing to do because we already have the buffer right here.
The brisket buffer.
Not the brisket. No, brisket is not the right thing. That's.
Close enough.
We might need FD in this case. Unless we wanna. No, we don't wanna map it every single. I mean, we could just map it every single time, I guess. Every single time we run it. This would be a bit more specific because then we don't. That would be way better. Alright, there we go. So we open the buffer first. But for opening the buffer, what we need is to figure out the buffer. So this. I'm currently ripping my DVDs to turn them into the MKV files from my local media, so instantly as I started SCPing 80 gigabytes of files, I was able to see the stream turn into 144 pixels. Well, no wonder. Can you blame it?
Yeah, the 2-pixel coding. My favorite.
Why did I do it in such an elaborate way? Oh, because we want to cut off the process. Oh. Right.
Another fucking mutter handle that you fucking abandoned to me. Every time you said cat, I think of cat the animal.
No, with the U.
Or me. You know? That word is ruined.
I guess the max throughput is 79 gigabytes plus make it stream time.
Something.
Okay, readlink process will allow us to read it into a temp buffer. Then ideally what we would like to do is we would like to read the temp buffer. We need to cut view the last however long the name of the program will be, commands. This many. Or I could do it in such a much smarter, better way. Oh my goodness, epiphany. Oh, yes. That's because total path. We have it right here. What we can do is we can create a file that we called place. Oh yeah.
Place?
There we go. Metadata will be. Yes, place.
Mm-hmm.
So as we.
Oh, what's gonna be in place?
With the position of where the entire program is. Init buffer. So right here, we're going to. How do you write to a file? Jeez. Place file, and this will be. Fuck me, who wrote this shit? Like this. Right, but then we don't need 10 buffer. Only, in this case, this, not buffers, only we can already do meta and then place.
What was that?
Someone's drag racing outside my window, because you should have gotten used to it by now. That's the neighborhood. Oh, they are ripping.
Is it like they even drive racer?
Yes. Another place. Do I want the place? I mean, I should. I don't want to call it med because it's not shitposty enough. I would prefer it to be something like MKT, where MKT stands for metadata. Not many words in the English language start with a K, do they? Fine.
Metadata
Right.
from France. Truly fascinating. Very enlightening indeed.
This place file. We open the temp buffer of the place file. Then what we do is we write into it this. Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Why?
You don't want me to go? Oh, I'm sorry, I'll stay.
You are such a fucking sub. Oh. Okay, 10 buffer, and then ideally we'd like some kind of length of 10 buffer. Which would be, I imagine, size of total path plus 4, 5, 10, 14, 15. I think, I'm guessing. This should actually close. Or just close. Oh, just close. Oh, how fancy I feel when I'm not dealing with files, and I'm dealing with fuck knows what. Yeah, and now we do build shell. There we go. Oh, that's a lot of errors. It's because of this. No, this makes sense. Just chill. Has no linkage. Oh, the fuck you mean has no linkage? What's your problem? Oh, it's because I'm creating 10 buffers twice. No, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. 10 buffer. Do we use 10 buffer for this? No, so we could just reuse it. Reduce, reuse, recycle, if anything. right? Oh, this might not work. Oh well.
Wow.
Let's start. Okay, I think this is correct. Why did it give a 3? No, that could be correct. MKV means Matroszka video, because it's going from Magic as well as referred to Levy's chat. I am on live VC right now. Did it eat your comment?
That's fascinating.
Oh, unless you mean on Discord. Oh shit, I forgot. Oh, that is a high quality live stream. That is.
Oh, I can't see the live chat. There's no.
Cape, I can't see the glow. Oh yeah, you can't see the live chat. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This. Wait, did it work? Oh! Place of bet. Wait, what now? What place of bet? Oh, why did you? Oh no. No. I wrote into it 10 buffer. Ah! Not on puff. Now, the question is it gonna override it? No, I didn't. Okay.
Romantic slideshow.
Proszę matki, FPS się słowless.
Still looking up basic functions, huh?
They're not basic. In fact, normally for files I use fwrite, not write. It is simpler as a function, but at the same time, I would argue a fair bit. You don't see write all that often. Usually you see fwrite. Write seems like a more generalized version of fwrite. The question is, how do you remove things from a file? I guess I could just open it with a correct flag that will... I don't fucking know. Okay, first of all, let's see if there's a flag that restarts a file somehow. Yeah. User has read write. No, this is obvious. Manipulate file descriptor. I just thought the file descriptor, isn't it? I do have to say, it is quite incredible to me how what they've done to Teto and Birdbrain, because it is a very aggressive use of a Vocaloid.
You mean Birdbrain is aggressive?
Yeah, it's a very...
What do you mean?
Like, normally Vocaloids sing in a very, like, single tune kind of voice with no emotions.
I see what you mean. What you're saying is Jamie Page is just very good at making Vocaloid songs.
Apparently.
You are not. They indeed are. Oh, you listen to the fucking What is the Roses? from in them? No?
No.
It's also good. Meow.
It's confusing.
No many things.
How do I clear a file? Microsoft Office doesn't have performance installation media and it's key today, but a spin that fell up. Good for you, Caper. That software is almost 2 fucking decades old. Holy shit. Wow. Oh.
That's
Shit.
you felt that so.
Yeah. Yeah. Shit.
You're old, huh?
it hit me a bit by surprise. How do I remove things from a file? Also, TTY is working. That's nice. Where's it? It's 15 years of maximum.
Oh my.
That's rough.
Ouch. That's a fucking big ouch.
I am so lost because I genuinely don't know how to do it. How do I clear a file? See clear a file lyrics. Yeah, nobody uses fopen. I don't. I'm using open. Just open. Oh, just remove. Just straight up. If a file doesn't exist though, what's it going to do? Can I just remove and then temp buff? Huh. Well, that didn't seem like it worked. Deleting file for search provides way too much. It's just that's too simple because it doesn't work. Or maybe just... No, that would make sense. Let's see. It did remove it. Okay. Progress? Maybe. This time it errored, but that makes sense. Because...
You're making it.
find the actual. Or maybe. Oh, maybe we don't have to remove it. Oh. Right. Yeah, okay. Well, that sucks. Because then we do need to remove it, but not if it exists. See, check if file exists. A simple way to check if it exists, maybe. That would be preferable. Access function. Oh, lovely. That's exactly what I was looking for. Oh, thank you. So if the file exists, if it's 0 then exists, which means we can, if it's not 0, yes, we can just do it like this and then remove. And file name right here, the file name is temp buff. Okay, so the file is there. Let's add some garbage values into it. Right, I misspelled it. That's happens to the best of us. Okay, then we can build it, run it. It just added in all and clear the file. Why did it not clear the file? I asked you to remove. Oh, damn it!
No.
The big computer makes a scale of riders. Truncate. I don't want to read the write, I want to clear it. I don't even have a file descriptor. That much better. Don't give me a file descriptor. I would just like to... Unlink what does unlink do?
File descriptor are barely nowhere.
Shut up.
Never mind, I'm not sleeping yet.
Hello, I'm a cowboy. Look at Microsoft is using number provided in the installer and ask them to activate my product as was common 2007. Oh, Arrow isn't even. Wait, what? I just want to. I want to remove a file. I want to clear a file. That's it. May I please?
May you clear a file?
I would really like to. Alarm. What does this alarm do? Schedule an alarm signal. Okay, this could either be reasonable and be like a callback function, which would be a genuine useful thing, but I really hope it's for a real alarm.
Only why want me to find out?
No, I think it's genuinely useful.
Oh, useful functions in my code.
Application
What the hell?
fork function and depending on the child process. New process image create the one take function. Application developers should know that the type of argument second around sign is tricky. Yeah. Allow me. I think it's generally useful. That's so disappointing. In ASCII, I do believe character 7 is a bell, which literally referred to a bell sound. And it was a character. I was hoping it was one of those things, but it seems actually useful.
Yeah.
I was disappointed.
They really couldn't fit any other character there.
That was character 7, that was before letters, numbers, before anything writable.
Didn't ask you like 20 fucking characters or something?
256. That's
Yeah, they thought fucking bear should be one of them.
Yeah, there are. I mean, you're joking, but there is actually a lot of. A lot of them are system. It begins with system characters. So most of them you wouldn't even see, nor are you able to use.
Alright.
How do I remove? Or it could be maybe. Wait. Jumping at their specific length. Yes, please, actually. I beg you, yes. That would fix everything. F-truncate place file to the size of total path plus 1. Ta-da! Fixed. Alright, brilliant. So now we don't have to go through the entire painful process every single time, and we can just, in fact, so we can remove this. Brilliant. Ben and Joyce Unite. You know how disappointed I was when I first learned about it, and then I tried to play a bell sound, but turns out that it's just ridiculously obsolete technology. Echo back to video will beep, and it's gonna show me. It was loud and late. I was trying it with C. Wait, would it work with Echo? How do you do ASCII in Echo? ASCII code in Echo. I wanna see it. Not non-ASCII characters, only strictly ASCII. Ah! I believe it was 7, wasn't it? ASCII, let's see. It was 7, look at me, oh I am so good. But that would be, okay. I do have WSL, which I'm gonna run just specifically for this. Come on, wake up. There we go. I'm getting Windows error sounds, which I don't know if it's an error or if that's the bell. Holy shit, that is... No, that is not the bell. No, that is the bell. Well, that was neat.
That's the little bell.
Look at tab name, it shows a bell. Wait, what? That's it? Oh, I just didn't notice. Oh, my taskbar is broken. There we go, we're back. Let me see. Oh, it does! I didn't even register! It does show a bell! Oh, that's...
What?
That's
Where is it?
cute.
Oh, the bell.
Oh, would you just ask?
Where does it show the bell?
At the top, in the name of the tab. Also, after playing that bell, my taskbar dies every single time, so that's great. 100%. Okay.
It fucking crushes your taskbar.
Yeah.
That is a pretty fucking brilliant function.
I mean, Windows can already do it on its own. This just makes it more streamlined, I suppose. Okay, temp buffer. And we're going to write into the temp buffer Let me just read. Nice. What does nice do? Change the nice value of the process.
What? What is the what does it mean? What is the nice value?
It's a nice value. That's brilliant. Oh, it finished printing, by the way.
Our gender finished printing.
Yes, the new I finished printing the new gender. Hold on, give me a second. I need to set up everything. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss?
The gender, probably.
No, I didn't. It's right here. It's quite
You have your
big.
okay. Is your gender quite big? Good for you.
There we go.
Very thin.
Oh, but in order to get the raspberry in there, I will need to unplug it.
Oh,
Oh, whatever. Happens.
doesn't miss you.
I'm going to... Fine, let's do it. Well... If anything gets the cool. Let's see. Did we mess up or did we get it right? The nut holes look a bit small.
Uh-oh.
Oh, indeed.
Your nut doesn't fit.
It really doesn't. Can't fit my nuts.
Damn.
That's why I added tolerant, but apparently I did not enough. Yeah. Are the big ones at least good? The big ones feel also slightly too small. Shit! Oh, we're printing another gender.
Fine. Okay. No. Another gender. Damn.
Yeah. Alright, well, first things first, let me...
Just be like, pretty put me a gender.
Yeah, the woke left has gone too far. I'm gonna leave this here for now. Just plugged in. And back to work we go.
Sponsored by the European Union.
Reconnect now, because you should be able to reconnect by now. And then right here, we're going to go in.
I'm gonna go now.
Okay.
Like the fucking sun just came out the first time in a fucking week. I need to go outside, man.
Alright. Have fun.
I need some of a D, and by D I mean vitamin
Vitamin.
D,
Yeah.
and not what you thought about.
I said vitamin before you said vitamin. That's what I was thinking of. 425,
Oh.
that's 5. What's the 4 points?
Okay, well I need some of a D.
Alright, good for you. Have fun. Be safe.
Meow.
Here we go. This should be fine. Oh, I could have just printed a smaller portion. I could still print a smaller portion of it just to see if the nuts fit, but I'm impatient, so... I'm impatient, and PETG is dirt cheap if you're printing something that's 2mm thick. There we go. Alright, we're back. And what now? Well, now we're gonna have the temp buffer, and we're going to async print into the temp buffer this and that. Oh yes, I remember. We're trying to read a file, and we've got to try the nice function. What is read link? Ah. Can we make it get elected EU Parliament streaming the speeches on Make It Shit post? I do love the fact that me streaming my speeches would be so normal. I would need to stream on Make It Shit post to make a in-song statement. File descriptor, right? I imagine we read into the buffer, and is this how many bytes we read? Because the pickle is, I would just like to read the entire file. Is there a way to check the size of the file? No, the options are various. Okay, I've thought encrypt. It's just a function. Jeez. Make it, what is broken and what do you need to fix? I just need to figure out how to get... Oh, fix it. Fix it is broken actually. It took me a second to realize you were referring to title stream. Fix it is broken. That's what I'm fixing. Well, it was broken. There's no longer broken. I actually fixed it. I fixed fix it. How many fix it could fix it fix if fix it could fix it? That's the question. But now the actual question is, how do you get a size of a file in C? Command for file size was start. Start doesn't appear to be here. Size in Linux. I'm still doing it in Linux. Just C. Just look it up. What am I doing? C get file size, but not the fseek one. The fseek is weird. Yeah, not fseek. Stat. It will be stat. Okay. Build a fixit fixer, so we won't have to fix it. On it. In the end, fixit will be a fix the fixer. Hide the dark, by the way. Okay, could I get an example of how to use it? Because I feel like I would need an example. Danny, for the sake of make it, I'm trying to work. Oh, start the struct. Okay, what do we get inside the struct? Wait, this works. That's good. That's what I needed. I needed something that works. Oh, I just realized the pickle in my plan. Ha! I just... Fuck! I just realized the pickle in my plan. In order to read the place file, we would need to get the information inside of the place file. That is problematic. Yeah. Because we're running executables from our own location, not from the location of the executable. That is tricky. Huh. That's quite tricky. Quite a conundrum I've gotten myself into. Isn't it? And this is like the only way I know how to fix that. Yeah, no, this is just... fine, fuck it. I guess that's what we need to do. I guess we just need to take this. And then include global includes age. Yeah. I'm writing some modifying code to something similar. No, I'm writing something much simpler. But I am overcomplicating it, if anything. Child and buffer. Yeah, I mean this. Global includes, we will in the build file include source. And then in start, I'm pretty certain we should be able to just get care path fine. But the issue is that yeah, we need to like char point a total path. Because right here we're editing the total path. Which means we need this. And then we also need void global or just like mpt util get current path, mpt util clean up like this, and then free total path. And in this case we should also do mpt util on top of all of them, just because... why do I... Why do I have to overcomplicate this so much myself? There we go. One fix it to fix it all. Exactly. Yeah. There we go. Now we're not going to write into that file because that's pointless. Yeah, instead we'll just do this, and in this case the util pisses off. To make MKW, and now I'm without a MKV file that will take HS transcode. Is the script pseudo at least? Are you listening to stupid while coding? No, not now. No, not now. Usually I do, but not this time. Okay, then in the start, total path we can remove because it will be MKT utils total path. Like this. And then we don't want it to be freed, we want the cleanup to take care of itself. But even better, the cleanup should figure out what to clean up depending on what we allocate, because otherwise it's just going to be a mess. Damn it. But the point is that now, if we take this, if we add it to hyper commands, then we will be able to get curpath, run this, away, look at path, clean up, path. Well, maybe we could just free it manually. Yeah, there's no need to, that's true. Free MPT util path. There we go. Brilliant. And then casually listening to the after I say okay dokie, I'll upload the account dissolution. It's a good song. We can plan pretty well with it. There we go. Now right here, we want the total path at this point. We don't need any of this, so we can just do get path. We can free it at the end, and in the middle we can do total path. And then we're going to have buffers slash CMD buffer, right? CMD buff, CMD buffer. Splendid. There we go. Temp buffer will be our buffer. Our temp buffer is a buffer that holds the name of the command buffer. I know you have some pretty peculiar taste in music after seeing your post on Discord. I listen to everything, Dark. I have 174 Spotify playlists. To say that there are peculiar choices in there is an understatement. Okay. It's going to open not test buffer, only you're going to open this. Then it's taking out the stats. Why do you take out the stats? Right, because then you take the size, right. You map the size into the right. Then I don't like erroring. Come on, errors, cringe. Error checking is for people who make mistakes. Eventually I need to add error checking, it's gonna be a pain. And at this point we can just ride into it. which once again, I don't know why we didn't do it with sharp pointer. It feels way more reasonable. Try point a buffer like this, and then m unmap close free. Okay, brilliant. So now what we need to do is just into int iter is equal to 0 while iter is smaller than 1024 23, or cmd buff of iter. No wait, I'm such an idiot. That would have been quite a mistake to make. Oh, once again, this would be neat line of code. Friend should define print. Should redefine print more. Welcome to our little town. Why don't settle down? You can look around. We're happy as can be. It's so weird to sing a stupid song whilst listening to a different song in the background. Okay. And in this case, we just write into it. Into the buffer. Oh, but we need to figure out which segment are we going to write to. That's true. So we're also going to do int offset is equal to 0 plus offset times 1024, and then iter plus offset is equal to cmd buffer. There we go. This right here should be correct, but we don't have a mechanism for... Okay, let's just try it. So why not? Because there are a lot of things, a lot of comparison errors, I imagine, that will be between us in this. Case 2. Alright, bye K-Pep, bye, have a good one. Have a good one. Add command 6. Build. No, lots of problems. Global includes not just file directory. I specifically included it. What do you mean? Is that included in the wrong... Ah, right. First problem, fixed. Second problem, global includes, that's just simple. Standard lib age declaration of 3, that's also pretty important. Brilliant. Then brilliant. Now if we run build and start, that seemed to have worked. CMD buffer should have make it written in it, right? Oh no, it doesn't. That's good. Yes. Now if we run build utils command A B C, alright, hyper dot help. Oh, that worked. Okay. Add cmd. I just realized if we're doing add command, then shouldn't... Oh yeah. By default, it should be interpreted as a command of a module. Huh. Oh well, happens. Doesn't matter. Add command test. That didn't work. Damn it. Okay. Wait, did it not work or were we just not at the beginning of the button? No, we were, okay. Add CMD test. This is meant to be a function, you bloody idiot. Few arguments. That is also correct. Okay, that makes a little sense. Buffer. Constant char pointer. You can go and write piss off if you want to. Fine. Constant. Constant char pointer. There. Happy now? I hope you are. Segmentation world. Okay. Takes the CMD buffer. Afterwards, we wanted to run one more time. Or actually, we could just do it with do while, right? I think so. Do. Is this a correct notation for do while, by the way? Do while C. Well, this. Can it work without brackets if I'm doing a single line? I've never done do while like that before. Also, why would it segfault? Let's just try to run it dry first. So, print dry run. It didn't segfault. Okay, well that could be also because the print is done. That sometimes also happens. It didn't segfault. That's good. Okay, progress. Very slow, but certain. Which means segfault did happen on this line. Oh my goodness, so you can't do while like that. Gotcha. Oh, never mind. That was right. That does make sense. Can I do it without curly brackets? Let me just let me. Come on. Ah, I don't think so. Oh no, while genuinely needs to have a semicolon at the end. Huh. It does segfault. Can I just do while iter is smaller than, I don't know, 5? Still segfault. See, now that's curious. Offset is 0. The referencing void pointer, yeah, that's fine, leave it. Just let me. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. This still segfaults. Now that's curious. Because if that's the segfaults, well, that means we didn't copy our buffer code correctly. Fine, I'll check if the map failed. Not happy about it though. Bad file descriptor. Oh goodness, I should have checked, yeah. Alright, point taken, print. Use buffers cmd.buff. Home, make it, fix it, build, utilus buffers, cmd buff. This all looks correct. Ah, why are you like this? Why do you have to be like this? This worked, this didn't. Let me see right here, we do the same thing with temp buffer and that works just fine. So this creates it just fine. More specifically, we even do it with 0777, so it's accessible. Bad file descriptor. I would like to know more about why. Can I do the same thing right here? No such file directory. I beg to fucking differ. That directory very much does exist. Build utils. Because you go into utils. Damn it! You do go into utils. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. I'm okay. I'm okay. If we go into mkt util get path, we can I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Right here we can just do int offset, and then right here we subtract till we get the slash. Yeah, but we shouldn't subtract till we get the slash. We should do it until this. And because why not? -1 should be D. There we go. I don't think we need offset now. I think this should be self-correcting. This time we got... No, we still got build utils, command buffers. Okay. This time we got a complete mess as well. But this time we removed the slash, which is something. When you remove the slash from the spot, hold on. Because right here we get path. It's also %s. Utils command. Okay. Very much incorrect. It was even better previously, because previously it was at least stuck at the utils, because it got to the first slash. Alright. Why didn't it work then? What I'm trying to achieve right here is... because I'm an idiot with logical statements. That's why. Oh, this isn't great. But hey, progress. Open success. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. That's good. But this worries me. Because we are getting a garbage character at the end. Which is, why do we? Then we increment it, +1. And then we write the last one to be a 0. Last one should be a 0. Oh, it's a consistently same character. That might be... that shouldn't be null. No, because null should terminate it. That's not great. Never mind! Fuck me if I know. There we go, great. It works. The point is that right now we can do... we can get into the hyper commands, we can remove the pair of open, we can remove this print, we can take the command buffer and we can just write it the command buffer. So close. Okay, so it did add CMD. It did add CMD. That's because we first need to extract the command, that's obvious, but why did it do only 5? Oh, well, it is smaller than 5. I see. In reality, it should be 1000 and CMD buffer of ita. Okay, because that's fine then. Then all we effectively need to do is just extract the command. Extract the... This time it's not running at all. Starts at 0. Can I do +1 right here, just for the sake of academic curiosity? Okay. It does run. So this, then person C, and then person B. It should be iter, then this, then this. It's your A97, and then it doesn't run again? Let's just do a while loop. Well, that is certainly quite curious. Oh, because we iterated in a very dumb place. Very idiotic place where we iterated. Ah! Isn't it? Wait. No, we actually iterated in the... This is actually fine. But then the next one should be D. The very next one should be Cindy buffer. Right, print +1 then. Let's see what the next one is. It is D. Why is it false on the second one? Iter is then equal to 1, which is still smaller than 1000, that's correct. Oh wait, bitwise. We're doing it bitwise, we need logical. Gotcha. Gotcha and gotcha. There we go. That is correct. We did start at 1, which is not exactly what we want. We wanted to iterate after the fact, which is why I did it in there. Fine, I'll do it like a normal human being. For int iter is equal to 0, iter is smaller than 1023, and this iter is plus. There. Why is this not the first one? Oh shit, hold on, that's my alarm. Ah, you know what? I'm done. I'm not done, I'm lying to myself, I'm gonna keep going with this. We are incrementing this, which we very much shouldn't. Ta-da! Obviously first we need to clear the... There's a couple of things, because first we need to pick which segment of the command buffer we're actually writing to, because there'll be a whole bunch of them. Then we need to check... Then what we need to do is we need to check... no, we need to fill it with zeros. Or at least it should be zeros already. Yeah, it should already be zeros, and then we need to just write it in. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna go and eat something and rest a bit because everyone left it away. But we did do a fair bit of work with the raspberry, with this. It's not bad. And for now, that'll be it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye.